Hello, welcome guys. My name is Rich Guzman. Thank you so much for stopping by this video. In today's video, we're going to have a little bit of a different one because I got a question from an individual who is saying, guys, I want to learn how to earn high ticket income like you guys do. How do you do this? Okay, because for some reason I'm struggling. I can't even earn any income on the internet with my affiliate business. No problem. I'm going to address that right now. Now, when it comes to earning high ticket affiliate income, guys, we can't focus on just the high ticket, all right? The problem is that people face is they don't understand building an ascension model for their business, all right? Normally, if you have the right product, okay, the right program that you're promoting, you want to make sure it has an ascension model. That's problem number one. If you don't have an ascension model, you're not going to earn the high ticket income because people have to be, they have to be warmed up a little bit, right? They have to go through the first tripwire offer, which is a low ticket income. Then they go through the actual mid ticket afterwards. Then the high ticket. So let's talk about low ticket. Low ticket could be anywhere from like $7 to $25 on the front end. Now the mid ticket will be anywhere about, it could be like $275, $500, $600, something like that. That's more of a mid ticket, okay? Now when we talk about high ticket, now we're talking about earning about $1,000 commissions plus, right? So the product has to be anywhere from like, anywhere from like 2,000 to, 5,000, right? For like a high ticket. And some high tickets go even higher, okay? But we'll keep it at the 2,000 to 5,000 mark for the high ticket. Now, if you promote a high ticket without actually having an ascension model, it's gonna be very difficult for you to earn the high ticket on the back end. And this is why people are not making any sales because they don't understand having an ascension model, okay? Now, here's the thing that I like to do, all right? I have a tripwire offer, right, which is my low ticket. I have a mid-ticket offer, right? And I also have a high-ticket offer. But in the very beginning, I also have a residual income that the money comes in every single month. Now, why is that important? Well, I like earning profits, and I like earning high-ticket profits. But the problem is, if I'm relying on the high ticket profits all the time, and I'm forgetting about my low ticket, my mid ticket, and also my residual, right? I'm not earning any income on the front end to fund my business on the back end. And this was an aha moment that I learned from my mentor a long time ago, back in 2008, that taught me, do you want to build a business or do you want to build an affiliate marketing business? And I said, no, I want to build an affiliate marketing business. He says, no, you want to build your business. You want to have an ascension model that earns income on the front end so it funds your business on the back end. That's where you can sift and sort and find the people who are going to purchase that high ticket product or program, okay? Because not everyone's going to purchase that product on the back end, which is a high ticket. But you don't want to leave any money on the table. You want to make sure you're earning from the low ticket to the mid ticket, high ticket, and more importantly, that residual. Because that residual can build up very nicely that funds your business every single month, including the low ticket and the mid ticket, which is really nice, okay? Now you have the funds to fund your marketing, so that way you're sifting and sorting and you're finding the diamonds in the rough. You're finding the people who are ready to purchase that high ticket when they go through that process. So make sure that you have a good ascension model for whatever you're promoting, all right? And make sure that you have a good residual aspect so you're earning that income every single month. Now for me, when it comes to my residual, I am earning literally 80% commission on that every single month. So I do about $125 a month on the residual. That's what I earn for the residual, okay? I also earn $400 on the mid ticket, and I earn pretty much $1,000, well, actually $1,500 on the back end for my high ticket, okay? So I have these numbers situated in a way so I know, how my profits are coming in. I know I'm getting residual, that I can keep funding my marketing, okay? Where I can start sifting and sorting and finding the people who are really serious who want that high ticket. Because I know that there's a majority of the people that are not going to buy the high ticket. So again, make sure you have a good ascension model, make sure you have a good residual income coming in so you have money to keep funding your marketing, right? Because the problem people will face, they'll either run out of leads or they'll run out of money and then they will have no business. All right. So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. And if you want to know exactly how to build a business with the right ascension model, click on the link below this video and get started. And we're more than happy to guide you along that process. Take care, and I'll see you on a new video. Bye now.